Welcome to the HOMEgirls. Four top producing mega realtors, moms, wives, and friends talking about real estate and real life. Angela, Kristen, Jessica, and Lindsay are in the top 1% of all real estate agents and would be honored to receive your real estate referrals in Colorado. Join us as we drop a new episode every Monday anywhere podcasts are aired, in real life on YouTube, and connect with us every day on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at HOMEgirlsCO. Thanks for listening. We love you.
Hi friends, this is Lindsay, and I'm coming to you from my home office this morning in my pajamas with no makeup on. So that's super fun, and the state that all of us are probably in right now. It is March 19th, and over the last few days, we have found ourselves in a pretty different and pretty strange world. So starting today, the homegirls are going to be putting out a quick daily 5 to 10 minute tip on how you can move your business forward in these times, and just encouragement and general things that can be of use to you right now. So today, because we had someone specifically request this, I'm going to talk about doing a virtual open house. With this one, I hope you understand that this is something really new that we are all scrambling to figure out all across the country right now. So I would say that this is a sort of beta at this point. We're testing things to see how they work. And if anybody else has specific ideas on how they're hosting their virtual open houses, we'd love to hear those so we can update you. But this is the system that we're going to be using right now. On audio, I will walk you through it. And if you're watching, you can watch on our YouTube channel by going to YouTube and searching HOMEgirls CO, like Colorado. And you'll be able to see my screen share of the technology that I'm using. So the system that we're going to be using to host our open houses is called Be Live TV, and that is BELIVE.TV. You can sign into this tool, and they do have a free program that you should be able to use no problem. There's a paid tool as well if you would like to upgrade, but the free tool should be sufficient for what you're going to do with these virtual open houses. Be Live TV is a little bit different than Zoom in that it automatically integrates with your Facebook page. You can do it on your personal Facebook page, on your business Facebook page, and you can share it to any group that you might have or that you might want to share it to. And the difference between Be Live TV and Zoom is that Be Live will automatically pull the comments from people that are watching directly over for you to watch. So when you log into Be Live TV, what you'll do is click Create a New Broadcast. This will open up a screen with you on video. You can do this from your cell phone, and you can do it from your computer. And what you'll do is click here at the top of the page where it will give you the options to edit what you're calling your live stream, and then post a description, and also figure out where to post this live video. So what I'm going to do here is change the description to 26003 East Elmhurst Place, a virtual live open house. And then what I'm going to do is change the page that it will post to my personal Facebook page and also my business Facebook page. You have the option to schedule your stream, and you have the option to go live right away. If you can, I would try to keep the entire virtual open house to about 30 minutes. It doesn't really need to be any longer than that, and you don't want to be sitting there awkwardly, just waiting for people to ask you questions and no one is asking anything. So I'd say about 30 minutes. For example, the one I'm doing on Saturday, I'll be doing from 10 o'clock to 10:30 a.m. It's not a bad idea to get a couple friends or family members to be ready to jump on your live stream to ask questions. You're kind of posing extras to help you get things going. But typically with a live video, once someone asks a question, other people will too. So if you've got friends or family members or even other agents, honestly, that are friends of yours that you can have staged and ready to start opening the questions, I don't think that that's a bad idea. What will happen when you go live is that you will be able to take your phone camera, or if you have video equipment, you can use that as well. But you'll take your phone camera, and I would recommend just starting looking at you for the beginning and just give a quick intro on the house and who you are as an agent, and give people a few minutes to sign in and get ready to ask questions. So open with an intro on yourself as an agent, maybe some background on you, what areas you work, your numbers, anything that you want to talk about, and then give the address of the property, city, state, and zip of where you are. When you go live, in Be Live, over on the right side of the screen, there is a chat box, and that is where you will see people that are on your Facebook page asking you questions. So I would recommend that you say something in the opening of your video encouraging people to ask questions. You can say, ask me to tour you around a specific room, ask me to tour you around the inside or the outside of the house, ask me about the amenities in the community. When people ask you questions, they will pop up on the right side of the screen in your chat box so that you can look at them and pause and answer any questions that people are asking. Once you've done your intro and you've asked people to start asking you questions, then I would recommend that you go to a quick walkthrough of the home. Then I would just tour people around the house. I would start at the front door, and I would be really narrative. So talk through how the rooms feel to you. Are they light? Are they bright? Are they spacious? Go into the family room and talk about features in the family room. What kind of furniture can fit there? What kind of TV can fit there? You have to remember, you have to be very narrative and descriptive, because this may be the only opportunity that people have to see your house if they aren't willing to go out and see it in person. Go through the kitchen, open up the cabinets, show the pantry, sit at the kitchen island, show people how it feels in that room. That's what they really need, that they won't get from static pictures that you've posted in your MLS. They need to feel what the rooms and the space feel like. Go into each of the bedrooms and go through what size bed can fit in the rooms, where the adjoining bathrooms are, any features that there are. I would definitely go into the closets in each bedroom, which sounds funny, but again, remember that closets, unfinished storage spaces, garages, and basements are not usually photographed and put on the internet. So those are probably some of the biggest features that people are looking for. How big is the master closet? How big are the closets in secondary bedrooms? What does the unfinished storage look like? Where's the furnace and the water heater? How much space is in the basement? And what does the garage look like? So be sure to go through each of those rooms. And then hopefully at this point you have people that are asking you questions, so you can pause as you're going to answer those. When you're finished with your recording, Be Live will stop the recording on your Facebook page, and then it will send you an email that lets you know that your recording has downloaded. So you can go and download it from their cloud, and then you will have the video and the audio that you can use for your other marketing channels, like posting again on your Facebook page, adding to your MLS, adding to your Zillow. If you have any questions on how to do this, you can find me. I'm Lindsay, Lyndsie Man Emerson on Facebook, and you can send me a message and I'll help walk you through the technology. You can also shoot me a text message anytime at 720-365-7174. A lot of agents are talking about really unique ideas for how to get these things going. I am already advertising through a Facebook ad, through my MLS, and through Zillow and all of the syndicate sites that we're hosting a live virtual open house this weekend. Some agents are even going and putting signs out around the property, but instead of typical open house signs, they're saying on the sign, jump on our live virtual open house tour on Saturday from 10 to 10:30 at my personal or professional Facebook page, The Creed Group. That's a really cool idea. Home Depot and Lowe's usually have sign blanks that you can stick in the ground that are very, very inexpensive if you wanted to go and grab a couple of those and just write that in with a Sharpie. And then once we have done our live virtual open tour, we will be posting it in all of our marketing channels. So we'll probably run a Facebook ad with it, make sure it's in our MLS, and make sure that it is on our Facebook pages. If for some reason you can't get to your listing to host a virtual open house live in your listing, if you're not comfortable with going to your listing or your sellers are not comfortable with having you there, then what I would recommend is you just pull up your virtual tour or your photos of the property on your Facebook page, and you go photo by photo from the front of the house to the back of the house and then to outside, narrating people through photos. So if you don't have the option to physically be at the property and film your live stream from there, you can still do this. You can do that through BeLive TV, because BeLive and Zoom, if you're using Zoom instead, all have a screen sharing option. And what that means is that you can be sitting in front of your computer and sharing what you're looking at with people that are watching on Facebook. So if I was doing a screen share of my virtual tour or my photos while you were watching on Facebook, you would be seeing me click through a photo, narrate the room, click through a photo, narrate the room. And again, if you need help with that technology, just let one of us know. So I hope that was helpful. And I would love for you to come back here to our podcast and to our YouTube channel and check in daily as we post tips on what you can do to really excel in this market at this point in time. And we'll be talking about all kinds of things that you can do to level up and step up. And if you have specific questions or specific things that you'd like for us to address, go ahead and just message one of the homegirls or leave something on our Facebook or Instagram page and we'll get to those right away. Hope you guys have a great day.
We hope you loved our show today. If you enjoyed it, do the homegirls a favor and leave us a review on iTunes or wherever you listen. Share this episode with all of your homegirls and friends, and find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at HOMEgirlsCO.